cross this river without dying. How's it going, everybody? So today we are gonna go to Twin Falls hike and check it out, see what kind of rocks and minerals are in the area, what kind of beautiful pictures and adventures to be had. And currently right now I'm getting Otter some food and gonna get him all set up. And I'm at a QFC in North Bend area. And then we're gonna pick up some food and head out to the hike and see what we can find. Thanks so much for joining me today. Look how cute he is. You ready to eat and drink, bro? He is. He's ready for an adventure. All right, let me get this food in here. All right, you guys, so it is Twin Falls Trailhead. Here is the map for it. We're right here, and it's pretty extensive. There's a whole bunch of different spots you can explore and check out. Park hours, right there, no camping, overnight parking, dogs must be leashed, and you do need a discovery pass, but what is cool is they got this set up right here where you can pay and get one if you don't have one, but it does say social distancing reminder, and so that's good. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna go down all the main trails. I'll probably go off trail a little bit and try to spend more time by the river. The river looks really high right now, so we'll see if we can't find some rocks and minerals, something awesome like that, but I don't know, we'll just explore it, you guys. So I'm definitely regretting not having my boots. I just have these like cheap little kind of like workout shoes on. So I think by the end of this adventure, these are gonna be covered in mud. Look at Otter. Look at this spot, you guys. Look how quick that water's moving right there. I want to swim out in there though. That looks fun. Maybe this summer I'll have to come back here. I think I've been over here. I think I did this crazy climb through all of this before years ago. And over there's another really cool spot on the other side of this. Super beautiful though. This is really extraordinary to watch right here. It's like the water's running underneath this giant mountainous cliff area on the side and being like forced up from underwater and making all these ripples, and it would be one hell of an experience to feel that current, to swim down through here and just, I highly suggest you don't do that, but it's definitely entertaining to watch. Let's go down here and look at these rocks. So the rain is coming down pretty hard right now, so I'm gonna take shelter underneath this log, eat some snacks, hang out with Otter. I got my hat sitting on top of the camera to keep it somewhat dry, and we're just gonna chill for a minute and take in the scenery. Really beautiful, nice out here, guys. Hi, Otter. guys how to cross this river without dying. Stuff, huh? You gotta be really careful doing that. Make sure you got shoes that have good grip. I don't. And then also make sure that when you land, you try to like distribute your weight with your hands as well. So you have like 4 points of contact. And it seems to work out pretty well. Definitely a rush. A lot of fun, guys. So after you walk for a while, the path winds up a big hill. It's kind of muddy today. It's not too bad though, it's pretty chill. And then it comes around, and as I remember, after you go up the big hill, you kind of plateau out towards the areas where you can get a good look at the Twin Falls, I believe it is. So we're almost there, guys. It's really nice though, beautiful day for this. Love all the fresh rain. Air just is really nice, healing, good times. All right. Okay, we came to a split in the trail, and as I remember, this goes to a lower vantage point and the bridge that goes over the falls. So we're gonna go to the bridge right now and get you some shots there, and then I'll come back down here when we head back and show you guys that as well. Something else that's worth mentioning is that there's a whole bunch of really amazing old dead stumps like this that are just massive that you can climb in like this and take pictures. So definitely bring your phones and ready to take some selfies and pictures of your friends and stuff in these little grooves and areas. Really nice, really beautiful, makes for good pictures. Beautiful, huh? Fallen dead tree there. To the bridge. How high up we are. Super cool. Damn. And then moving to the other side here. So I believe at this waterfall right here is where that lower path leads to, and there's just like a little viewing area of this waterfall. So we're gonna go back and I'm gonna show you guys that waterfall also. But damn, this is a beautiful area just to meditate. I would love to be able to climb out on this rock right there and just like look down and camp out right there. I wonder if I can go right through here. That would be really nice. Very beautiful. Let me look around for a minute, guys. I'm gonna take this little side trail here down and see if I can't get some better shots for you guys. Just gotta be careful on this. And see if I can even get down. I might have too much stuff on me. Yeah, I think I can. So at this point, I'm gonna leave Otter tied up right here so I can climb down this safely without him getting hurt and get you some shots of this and this right here. It looks like there's a cave right here. It goes in, so that'll be good. Watch out, buddy. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Alright, so let's go down here. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Yes. Look at how powerful that is, you guys. So powerful. Oh my God. Oh, no way. Oh. Do as I say, not as I do, people. Okay guys, so as you can see, there's a little viewing area from that lower path I was talking about, which brings you right here to this waterfall. Amazing view of it. You can see right where I was at, right there on that ledge looking down. And that is a powerful, powerful picture. Great place for photography, just to come and hang out, soak it all up, feel the raw power of nature and water and earth, and it's just amazing. I love it. I'm definitely gonna sit here for a minute, soak it up, take it all in, take a few pictures, and have some fun. It was funny because some of the people were down here watching when I was right there, and I met them on the trail, and they're like, "Man, you're freaking crazy." Oh man, they're like, "You are toying with your life, my friend." I was like, "I'm a YouTuber, I gotta get that shot, guys. Check out my channel." But they were cool about it, so they understood, you know. I'm an artist, I'm capturing the thrill and the art of this all. That's a view that most people don't ever get to see it from, and I want to share that with the world. All right, guys, I'm gonna take some photos on my phone and kick it with Otter here first. All right, guys, so I'm back on the trail, headed back to the car right now. I think I got some good footage today and super excited about it. Want to get back and edit it up. Sadly, I didn't find any like really good rocks or stones out here, or crystals or anything like that. You'd probably have to go in deeper where like nobody walks or goes, and you'll probably find something here, but it seems like this is a really popular place. It's been picked over pretty well. Ooh, little salmonberry. So I'm gonna head back to the car, like I said. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification next to it so you're informed when the latest and greatest videos by Will Brown Art come forth. Also, please check out my Patreon and my children's books. Links to all that in the description below. I'll see you next time on Will Brown Art. Bye, guys.